Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss about how to overcome the competition phobia about GPAT exam. So what does it mean? So competition phobia means what? Means lot of students feel that I'm not going to crack GPAT because we have a lot of competition in my category and I don't have reservation. So that's why I'm not going to crack. So this is called competition phobia. So if any student have this thing and how to overcome this, and I will give the beautiful tips what I use, and at the same time these tips are already used by my students, so they also overcome the stress. So this is the thing I'm going to discuss in this particular video, how to overcome the competition phobia about GPAT exam. So this is the major problem I seen in the people not having the reservation, and the students like open category students and the students who are having less reservation but and more competition. So in this category of students, this phobia is very common. So how you can overcome this? And at the same time, students who are also having reservation also, this phobia is also be common, because the students may get this kind of phobia because of the competition pressure. So how you can overcome it and what I did to overcome. So I'm going to explain everything in detail. So practically things I will tell you to implement to overcome this fear. So first method I used for this to overcome this type of fear, that visualization. So what is meant by visualization? So visualization means in night before you are going to sleep, just close your eyes and assume that you are already cracked GPAT in your college. Your juniors and your teachers and everyone will appreciating you because you already got it GPAT. So just assume like this for just 15 minutes before you are going for sleep. So before you are going for sleep, just in your brain say that your brain, don't say it to outside, just think in your brain that you are already cracked GPAT and everyone is appreciating you and you are already getting good rank. So if you assume like this is called visualization method. When you do this visualization method every day 15 minutes before you sleep, so then after visualization you can easily go for sleep. So how this visualization method will help you? So because in this visualization what you are doing means you are already closing your eyes. In your brain you are programming the thing in such a way that you are already cracked GPAT. So that means you already cracked GPAT means, so whatever the step that needed to crack GPAT, your brain always think about it and it will clear those fears and you will work very hard. So before going to sleep, if you visualize this thing like you are going to crack GPAT and what are the steps you need to be cracked, so automatically you will get the good amount of positivity in your brain. At the same time, when you do this visualization method, automatically your subconscious brain automatically trains. So when your subconscious brain automatically train, it will tell to conscious mind to work hard for your GPAT. So this thing 100% surely will work for anyone, and this thing is already worked for me so many times. In my GPAT I got it a good rank, in my NIPER I got it a good rank, in state Andhra Pradesh for my PG set exam I got state first rank, and in PhD entrance test all India but I got it 4th rank because of this visualization method will help me. And in case of lot of in my semester exam, in case of my midterm exams also, to overcome fear about the exam, phobia about the exam, this visualization method is a wonderful method, because I also read some psychology book, so that's why I'm saying this. If you've done this visualization every day before going to sleep, that means you're already cracked GPAT and everyone is appreciating you, and the thing that before, so this method will be 100% will help you. And at the same time, when you do the visualization, automatically some positive thoughts come into your brain. So when your positive thoughts come into your brain, automatically you will also work very hard. When negative thoughts come into your brain, it will crushes your brain, automatically you are unable to think. So natural ability of thinking is also go away from you. So that is the reason this visualization method will improve your self-confidence, as well as this visualization method will set your subconscious mind that think about the exam, and tell the subconscious mind will tell to your conscious mind to work hard about your GPAT exam. So automatically it will benefit you if you do just for 15 minutes. This already worked for me and a lot of people also it work, and you can also check in psychology books as well. And at the same time, second method, so this second method you can use for two purposes. One purpose to study. So a lot of students what they do means in the night they think to study in the morning but they not do. So what you can do means take one paper or take one paper and the paper just write for 100 times. Tomorrow morning I will wake up 6:30. When you write for 100 times, automatically without any alarm you can easily wake up. And at the same time, so I give one example here. If you are going for picnic, so if you want to catch the train at the 2 a.m. in the morning, so automatically without no alarm you will wake up, because you have the curiosity and your brain is already trained for that thing. So that means before you are going to picnic, you are planning that picnic for the last 1 month. Yes or not? Yes, if you are planning for the picnic for the last 1 month, that is the reason your brain is subconscious brain is already trained for so many times. That is the reason without any alarm you can easily wake up. So same thing is here also applicable. If you want to wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, if you just write on one paper 100 times that I'm going to wake up morning 5 a.m. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. So when you write this thing, automatically your subconscious brain will understand it, and it will help you to achieve that thing. So that means if you want to wake up 5 a.m., so automatically without any alarm you can wake up when you train your subconscious mind. So in second method, what you need to do means take paper and 100 times write every day, I'm going to crack GPAT for surely, I will get a good rank in GPAT. So when you do this thing, automatically you are giving some positive thought to your brain. So when you get a negative thought of I'm not going to qualify because of competition, when you getting the phobia, automatically you are giving the positive thought about your exam. So when you do this thing, automatically it will help you. So this is the method I given to one of my students from Maharashtra. It is 100% helped her, and she got a NIPER rank as well. So when she approached me, she think that she is unable to crack NIPER, but after this method she is able to crack NIPER and she get a good rank. So you can also do this thing. So when you do 100 times, and at the same time you can also use this method to study well, so to improve positiveness. So when you get the negative thought, you can give the positive thought to this, automatically it will help you. I hope you understand these two methods will surely will help you. Thank you.